Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mom and Baby World. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important physical activity or an exercise for newborn babies that is called as tummy time. Yes, you heard me right. Even newborn babies need some sort of exercise which is very essential for their overall development. So let's get into the detail of this video. To watch all the videos on this channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the regular update. When we talk about tummy time, what exactly do we mean? So tummy time is just that time when baby spends on his stomach while awake and supervised. It is one of the baby's first exercise and the most important, and it can be very special for you and the loved ones to bond with the baby. Why do babies need tummy time? So there are n number of reasons of giving tummy time to the baby. Let's have a look what are those. Number one is tummy time helps your infant build strength in his back, legs, arms, neck and shoulder, as they have to really work hard against the gravity, which in turn help them to build the muscles, which is very important for their growth and development. Number two is regularly spending time on his stomach helps your baby avoid developing a flat spot on the back of his head. So newborns generally spend most of their times on their back, which in turn develop a flat spot on the back of their head. So if you try to place your baby on their tummy, this will definitely help to reduce this problem. Number three is tummy time helps babies develop the muscles that is necessary to lift their head and eventually to sit up, crawl and walk. Number four is it develops hand-eye coordination. Babies get to stare at the ceiling frequently, and this really won't help them to develop the hand-eye coordination. But with tummy time, they have a better range of movement and a new perspective of their surrounding. So they can look up, down, left, right and at different angles, which really helps them to develop the hand-eye coordination. Number fifth is it stimulates senses. So being on their tummy allows them to focus on their surroundings more effectively, leading to a better vision and focus. They are also able to touch many things, the mat they are on, the floor, the surrounding toys and pretty much whatever else they can get their hands on. They are also able to turn their heads towards the sound, which allows them to make the connection between the items and people they see and sounds they make. And the last thing is it elevates the gas pain. So the gas pain is quite frequent in newborns, and the tummy time is really helpful in this, as it puts the pressure on their belly, which can help them to relieve the gas. Next question is when to introduce the tummy time. So as soon as they come home from the hospital, you can start giving them tummy time, and the early you start, the better they can get used to it. Next question is what is the best time to give the tummy time? So you can do this activity when baby is most awake and alert. So you can do it maybe after a nap or during the diaper change or maybe after a bath. But don't do it right after the feeding, because it might put some pressure on their abdomen, which can cause them to spit up. Next question is how long should you do the tummy time? Start with a small increments of few minutes at a time, several times a day, and then increase it gradually as baby gets stronger and more comfortable. Also make sure to interact a lot with the baby, because it's a complete new experience for them. So making them comfortable and safe is a key for the successful tummy time. You will probably have to start with small sessions, and as baby gets older and starts to enjoy, you can ramp up the number and durations of the session. Then continue this practice until baby can roll over on his own, maybe around 6, 7 or 8 months of age. Tummy time doesn't always mean lying down on the floor. You can have a lot of fun, you can have a lot of other activities with this. Try to involve both the parents and try to keep baby busy and occupied with so much of fun that you can do. Now we'll see what are different ways in which you can achieve this. Number one is the floor time. Set up a space in your living room or in baby's nursery by placing a small firm pillow supporting their tummy. This can be done in a Superman style position with their arms extended out in front of them. Also be sure to interact a lot with the baby during this time. Try lying down with baby eye to eye, as it will be very helpful for baby to see your face and make them feel reassured and having lot of fun. Another great tummy time position is tummy to tummy approach. Try lying down on your back and place baby tummy side down on your chest or stomach, and encourage baby to look around and build the neck muscles and upper body strength by moving a toy in front of their face or having your partner move about the room. And the last one is the lap. So you can put your baby on your lap, supporting their chest, and with one hand you can support their back to let them know that you are there. Also, you can gently rub baby's back to soothe them, and you can use some oil or some lotion to make this tummy time even better. Next question is, what if baby cries during tummy time? So don't get surprised if your little one hates it and those initial attempts are made with some resistance. Babies usually don't like it and they get cranky about it because they have to really work hard against the gravity to lift their head up. But eventually they'll start liking it and they'll enjoy this activity. There are certain tips you can follow, so let's see what are those. Number 1 tip is, try doing tummy time exercises when baby is most happy. Also, make tummy time fun time by placing the brightly colored stuffed animals around your baby, and you can help them reach for and play with them. You can also hold a mirror in front of baby to capture their attention. Another thing you can do is sing songs during tummy time to calm and soothe baby. You can use some rattles, toys to encourage visual tracking. You can also get down on the floor with your baby and make goofy noises and expressions. You might feel this silly, but she will be distracted from her tough workout. Now the last and the most important thing is the tummy time safety. Let's see what all safety measurement you need to take to make sure your baby is safe during this activity. Make sure baby is on a low solid surface so there is no risk of falling off a couch or a bed. If you want, you can put baby on the floor on top of a blanket. Never leave an infant unattended on his belly, as he could get into a position that is dangerous. If your baby gets drowsy or falls asleep on his tummy, switch him back to his back for a nap and don't let them sleep on their tummy. And the last tip is, don't do this activity right after the feeding, as baby might spit up due to the pressure on their abdomen. So I tried to cover everything related to the tummy time, and still if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. So that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any important updates. Thank you. Bye bye.